If you've been arrested for a criminal charge, how could your social media accounts affect the defense of your criminal case? The answer to that question is coming right up. Welcome back to Gustitislaw. If you're new to Gustitislaw, I am Steve Gustitis, and this is my channel. I post weekly videos just like this one on how to effectively navigate the criminal justice system, how to defend criminal charges, and how to manage encounters that you may have with the police. If you enjoy the content that you find here at Gustitislaw, consider subscribing and becoming part of the Gustitislaw community. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button down below or the capital black and white G down in the lower right-hand part of the video screen. I also enjoy responding to comments and questions, so add those down in the comments section below so we can begin a discussion that may help other people too. Number 1. Social media has now become a mainstay in our culture. It's a way for folks to communicate, and it's a way for people to interact socially over the internet. With just a couple of mouse clicks, we can share our latest experiences with everybody on the planet if we wanted to. And that's the first big problem with social media and defending criminal charges. Whether you post a status update, whether you post a video or photographs on your social media platforms, that material can be used against you in court by the prosecutor. If the prosecutor can locate it and figure out a way to admit it into court, they can incriminate you simply with something that you posted on your Twitter account or on your latest Facebook status update. Many clients ask me, well, can't I just set my social media to private? Well, I respond to them in this way. One, it's the government investigating you on the internet. Don't you think the people that work for the government are smart enough to crack a privacy setting on Facebook or some other social media platform? So private or not, the things that you post on the internet by way of your social media accounts can and will be used against you in court. The second way that your social media accounts can impact the defense of your criminal case is this. What you post on social media can be used to impeach your in-court testimony. Now, what impeachment means is to discredit your testimony. The rule of evidence that's at work here is called a prior inconsistent statement. If you testify to something in court in the defense of your criminal case, and the prosecutor has been able to find something that you said on the internet previously that was different than what you testified to in court, they can impeach your in-court testimony in front of the judge and or the jury. Once they have impeached you with a prior inconsistent statement, they can argue that your testimony in court just simply cannot be believed because you're telling different stories at different points in time. Number 3, an often overlooked aspect of social media is that the police and the prosecutors can go to your social media accounts and find out and identify who your friends are. Once they know who your friends are, they can contact them directly and ask them questions about you. This can be extremely damaging to the defense of your criminal case because remember, everything that you tell your friends can be used against you in court. And if you have confided in your friends about facts and circumstances related to the case for which you are on trial, the prosecutor can use those statements you made to incriminate you. That's the worst case scenario. The DA now has a list of your best Facebook buddies that you have confided in and can use that against you to prove that you're guilty of the offenses for which you are charged. Can you think of other ways that your social media accounts can impact the defense of your criminal case? If you can, add them down in the comment section below, and we can begin a discussion that may help other people too. In our next video, we will answer the question, what should you do with those social media accounts after you've been arrested for a crime? So stay tuned to Gustitislaw for that next important video on the impact of social media on the defense of criminal charges. Thanks for watching.